We're here today at Millennium Point where Make UK is putting on an event that challenges the general perception of what engineering and engineering training is. We're here today with schools coming from all over the Midlands to talk to the tutors, instructors and students at Make UK of how the current perception of engineering is grimy, male dominated and of no real progression for the individual students. Today hopefully has changed 250 plus students' impression that engineering is diverse, not grimy and has the potential to offer a very lucrative and rewarding career for the future.
Today was an important day because I found the apprenticeship I want to do in the future.
I really like the videos because they're trying to match the culture of today with the music and all the different kinds of styles. But they also advertise on TikTok, which shows their good marketing technique, which is why I really like these companies and I may join one. I'm currently in two mindsets right now between a degree apprenticeship or a university, which is why I came here today to see which is better for me.
My favorite thing was when they were introducing the different companies, like for example Land Rover. Yeah, I think the other ones there was Ishida. Those companies were really interesting me, and I want to say thank you for them for giving me an opportunity.
Today was an important day because I found what career am I going to choose, because I had lots of difficulties of choosing the careers, but today I understand what I'm going to choose.
The event today has been really useful for our students to ignite their passion and potential for coming to do an apprenticeship in the future. Make UK put together these really engaging videos that they were able to see current apprentices in action, and the enthusiasm of them came across. It was really modern, really tried to tap into what young people are interested in. There's a lot of different employers to talk to. It gave our students the opportunity to increase and gain confidence about speaking to adults, because they don't often get a chance to do that outside of the academy building. So I've been really pleased with how they've conducted themselves today, so thank you very much.
So we're down at Millennium Point for the Make UK Apprentice Fair. It's fantastic. Our stand, Frederick Cooper, has been mobbed. Apprentices have been brilliant ambassadors for the company. It's been very worthwhile.
So today's been really valuable for us as a company, also me individually, to actually be able to talk to our young people and what we obviously see as our future leaders. But we've been able to actually really connect with them, and the presentation at the beginning really give us a spotlight session, which is fantastic to actually address to the full audience. And then the event that we've been able to have after that presentation has meant that we've been able to talk to individuals on a one-to-one basis, and even having sort of really young people actually looking at where they want their careers to go. So it's been absolutely fantastic being able to talk to them, the different opportunities that are available, and hopefully it opens some more doors for these young people.
I think this event has definitely shown students and teachers from different schools and areas how amazing Make UK really is. It's definitely shown me how amazing it is. I've learned so much from there, and it's been able to help me utilise it in my company and outside of work.